Do you have a catchphrase when you take off?
6 Mike, extend your downwind. There'll be a runway 20.
Don't mess up! Oh, the river!
There's the river for you,
The
Russ.
river! Flying up the river, baby. Like, dude, you're a wrong altitude.
Minus 500. Did you lose him?
Yep, I lost him.
I like being high, Russ.
Yeah, I do too.
Not like with marijuana.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
I think I see Charlie coming in. There's my man. Oh my gosh, Russ can fly!
Alrighty.
What's up, brother?
What's up? What's up, brother?
Welcome to Hartford, man.
Thank you, thank you. Whew. I was actually, it was interesting because when I was coming in, I was looking for the river.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I've seen when you came in, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So.
we were using my footage to help you out.
Exactly,
Nice.
Exactly.
All right, well, Russ is inside filming at the Jet Center. I'm hooking up my external cameras to the Cherokee 235. This is the Dakota before Dakota. And then we got some fuel coming in with our boy Alex right there. So let's get this camera set up and then we'll get ready to get out of here.
3 incorrect. All right, very good. Instruments are all good. Fuel pressure, oil temp, all are in the green. Mixture is going to go full rich. Primer is in and locked. And let's see, throttle up to 18. Hold the brake, because she likes to try to creep on me every now and then. All right, up to 1800. All right, right lane, right mag, 2 clicks. Right mag is good. Left mag, 1 click. Left mag is good. Carb heat. Carb heat good.
214 Bravo Romeo.
Alternator check.
214 Bravo Romeo, burn a ground turn.
All right, good. Oil temp, oil pressure, fuel pressure, all look good. Idle check.
154 Charlie, left turns approved, runway 20, cleared for takeoff, wind 290 at 8.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20 for 41 Charlie, left and approved. It's your show, Russ.
All right, let's get it.
Do you have a catchphrase when you take off?
6 Mike, extend your downwind. There'll be a runway 20.
Don't mess up!
I'll call you back.
Don't do anything stupid.
What's your rotation speed?
Rotation speed is 57
Miles an hour or knots?
miles an hour.
Copy that. Looking for 57.
All right, we are lined up. That is 20. I see 20. 20. All right, heels to the floor, full power. All right, engine gauges in the green. Fuel pressure, oil temp, all look good. Airspeed is coming alive. Stomping that right rudder. And we are ready to rotate. Got a nice little push. Oh, the river!
There's the river for you,
The
Russ.
river! Flying up the river, baby. And we'll do indicated airspeed climb of 92.
Super fancy, Russ.
And taxi landing light can come off, fuel pump can come off. And we'll let Carol do her thing.
We like Carol. Thanks for coming to Connecticut, man.
Yeah, no, it's my pleasure.
We love having you up here. You've been up here a few times.
Yes, I have.
A few Block Islands, right?
Yeah, Block Island,
Oh, Marshfield.
Marshfield.
I saw Marshfield short, and I just did Marshfield last Friday.
I saw that.
Beautiful area, man.
Yeah.
Did you walk the beach?
I didn't, because where I went, I wasn't sure where I was.
Yeah, they had like a 16-foot like tidal wall,
Yeah.
and then somebody painted some like mural for a kid that died.
Yeah, I saw that.
Somebody tell me I can do shark watch down there and watch the sharks.
Yeah,
They like to eat the seals.
Yeah, yeah. That would be kind of wild.
Wonder why he's same altitude. He's kind of going,
Yeah, he's going the wrong way.
yeah. Maybe got a brain fart. Unless he's turning. Alright, keep an eye out for him.
Yeah.
Could be a YouTube fan, Russ, that's watching us live. He wants to do some formation
Got
flying.
the traffic in sight. See him, he's right over the...
Okay, I don't have him yet, but you keep an eye on him.
I got him.
Minus 400 now, he's descending.
Okay. It's like, dude, you're a wrong altitude.
Minus 500. Did you lose him?
Yep, I lost him.
Yeah, we'll be over.
I got him 12 o'clock.
You got him? Okay.
We'll talk to you when you get in there.
There's another guy too. Minus 600.
Yeah.
Spaceport traffic, bird dog.
I got him.
Okay, spaceport.
Yep.
Just parking for now.
I didn't know this was a little busy corridor here, huh? Oh, maybe because of the Charlie? Alright, he's 4.
This guy right there.
Yeah.
Got him.
Like, what's going on?
This is, that's pretty close, but we got him in sight. Looks like a little warrior, an archer. Little fella. And then this guy's maneuvering.
Is this a practice area over here? Yeah, I got him.
Alright, we'll keep an eye on him.
Okay.
That looks like a Cessna, a little high wing. So on traffic, Cherokee 41 Charlie, 5 miles southwest. We'll be entering left down for runway 30 Taunton.
It's quiet.
Yeah. We're trying to build up this airport, get more people to come here, get this Alpha Kilo Warrior burger.
Absolutely.
See it yet?
I do not.
Okay. We'll get it.
We'll get it.
Oh yeah, that's the fun part, Russ.
Exactly.
Alright, it's 2:12 o'clock.
You see it?
Yeah, it's to the left of that white building, straight up above you.
Okay.
You're on the 45 here.
Gotcha.
So that's good. Taunton traffic, Cherokee 41 Charlie on the 3-mile 45 for runway 30 Taunton. Taunton traffic, Cherokee 41 Charlie, left down runway 30 Taunton.
I got him. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. Gorgeous, dude. Get myself a little space here.
Yep, 1 mile away.
In Fitchburg area traffic, Skylane 04 Lima is turning final, 32 Fitchburg, full stop.
Alright, let's first notch it. Power to 1500. Nose coming down. The one thing about this airplane with those 2 extra cans, she tends to be a little nose heavy. So you have to be real careful.
Yep. 1200, doing good. Taunton traffic, Cherokee 41 Charlie, left base runway 30 Taunton.
Speed, good. Coordination, good. I never like to do flaps when I'm turning. Oh no, it's just one of those things. Alright, let's square up for final.
Taunton traffic, Cherokee 41 Charlie, final runway 30 Taunton.
And I'm high. But that is never a problem.
I like being high, Russ.
Yeah, I do too.
Not like with marijuana.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
All right, guys, cue the music.
Cue the music!
The windsock is right down the pipe.
Right down the pike.
As we watch Russ guide Charlie in for a touchdown here at Taunton, take the time to go ahead and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And leave a comment below. I also want to take the time to thank Russ for coming all the way up from Doylestown and picking me up in Hartford-Brainard. I appreciate it, man. It was a great time hanging out with you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of this flight. It's coming up Wednesday.
Beautiful, Russ.
Thank you.
I gotta wipe all that butter off my face. Full back pressure, I'm making sure.